Alright, let's start. Okay. Let's install the packages. Wait, I did that. Oh no. Generate fstab and here. Time to check for errors. Seems to be no errors. Arch. Change root to mount. Set the time zone, which is hidden. Do this, whatever it is. Then generate local when low install them. Oh. Create a host name file. I guess I'm supposed to put my name here. So we'll put that. Oh. Then I'm supposed to edit this. To 7.0.0.1 local host. Yeah. And then I do not know what I did there. Hopefully it works. Set password. And now install bootloader. Then do grub install into the boot one. That's one. Oh. I don't think that's my computer.
The mount point. All right, you see the prompt changed. We are now logged in as root, over at /mnt on SDA3, because that's where we're going to be installing everything on the SDA3 partition. Now we need to go ahead and set our time zone, and how you do that is you...
Okay, I got something. Grub install. grub install target i386 PC. Equal to i386 PC. This. No. PC /dev /sda1. Alright, I'm supposed to be doing my homework, but let's install Arch Linux. Alright. Okay, let's see here. Connect to the internet. Okay, everything looks okay. Time, date, CTL. Set NTP true. Alright. And of course we have /dev SDA, okay. Alright. So the first partition will be what is the first partition going to be? It's going to be the boot. So let's create that primary 1 first sector 200 megabytes. The new one will be swap primary 2 first sector plus 1 gigabytes. Then the rest will be just the rest of the storage, like that. Alright, and toggle a boot flag on 1 and exit. Now we format it. So we make the root partition ext4, ext3, and we make this swap, so sda2 is swap, and we mount it. So let's do that. Mount /dev/sda 3 to /mount. Then we turn the swap partition on. Then we install the mirror. So let's do that. Okay. So now what I have to do is generate an f-step, whatever that is. Generate an f-step. Put it here. So now to change the root to /mount. Right, and I did set the time zone. /user/share /zone info how do I do this? I'm gonna copy. Okay. Sys. Oh my god. Okay, now this is one of them. Locale edit. Okay. Gen cd etc ls wim locale config. Oh, okay, what do we do? Oh, pacman s wim, yes. Wim locale.conf lang equal to English, United States, UTF 8. So Vim host name, and I'll just call it my name, and then add that to hosts. So 127.0.0.1 localhost, whatever this is. I don't know, I guess I'm supposed to copy it. 127.0.1.1. My name dot local domain. I guess call my name. Creating it is not usually not required. Root password. Now we set the password. New password will be this. Okay. Now we do sudo pacman or pacman as grub. I hope to Allah that this works. Oh my. Probably, I don't know. /root. Alright. Grub install target equal to i386 PC /dev/sj1, which is the boot. Okay, I saw something interesting. So I have to do ext4 for the boot partition. So make file system, I think, ext4, or it can be 3, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. I don't know. Okay, so let's do that. /dev/ wait, okay, whatever we do before. /dev/ sda1, the boot. Cool. Alright, so I guess I can mount this to /boot, and then I can install something on it. So that is grub, so do that here. Grub install target equal to i386 PC /dev/sda1. Let's hope this works. Pretty sure it will. Warning, FOSSEMEX2 doesn't support embedding. Warning. Alright, I did it. So yeah, so all I did was do it to the whole hard drive rather than a single partition, and I made the file system ext4 for the boot, and I think I forgot to mount the boot partition. So yeah, now I just launch it. Oh, okay. Okay, so I am done installing. I just had to type root and then the password. So now I can like download whoa, what's happening here? The moment root, and then type my password in. Logs in. Pacman s neofetch. Yes. Oh, it doesn't even work. Okay. Okay, so let's try again. This time I enabled it. Alright, pacman s neofetch. Yes. Install it. Fantastic! Oh my god, look at that shit right there. You know, that arch right there with the man right there. Really nice, man. Really nice. Okay, let's fucking, you know, go and get the XFCE4, you know. Just default. Okay, whatever. That's total download size 120. Sure. Or okay, I think I'll stop it here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. if you guys